Hey, what's up? It's Phil from Easy Tutorials. Let me show you how to quickly zoom your video in Vegas Pro. To do that, I will import my video, drag it on the timeline, and you can see over here that says Event Pan and Crop. Click it, and you will get this interface. If you want to zoom in on a specific point, you can see this position over here. Now, let's move this over here, and let's say we want to zoom in over here. Double click to create a point, and now just take this and zoom in and move this over here. And if I close this now, you can see that if I move this to the beginning, you can see the nice and smooth zoom in effect. You can click again over here, and you can click again over here and double click to make a zoom out. And now just select this and make a zoom out effect. If I close it, you can see the zoom in and zoom out effect. And this is it. If you find this helpful, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.